waterlock your Apple Watch for better protection while you are swimming or in the shower. It will lock everything down in it and also let you get rid of the water from its speaker at once. So let's check out how you can do it. Swipe up the control center on the Apple Watch. Scroll down and tap on the water icon. It will lock down everything and you wouldn't be able to do anything while it is waterlocked. Tap on the digital crown. Now turn on the digital crown to get rid of the water from the watch. When it's done, you will get a sound and your Apple Watch will go back to normal. So guys, this is the way you can waterlock your Apple Watch and open it when you are done. That's it for now. Hope this video was helpful for you. If so, like, share and let us know your opinions in the comment box. We have also included our social media addresses in the description box. You can send us videos about the device related problems you are facing. We will try to give you solutions for them. Don't forget to subscribe Apple Tricks for tips and tricks for Apple and Android devices. Thank you.